Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. Now, even though the stock market has been coming down the past few days, prices are still high on most stocks that trade in the market. Unfortunately, most stocks are overvalued. So now we have to be smart and try to find a place within the market that's not highly priced, where we can put brand new money to work. Buy low, sell high. So I got 3 undervalued stocks within a section of the market that's not overpriced, where you can put brand new money to work. 3 biotech stocks. That's right, I said biotech stocks that are undervalued, underpriced, and on sale right now. So stick around. All right, let's get it. Now, I brought you guys right here to look at this stock chart of the IBB Biotechnology ETF. Now, this right here is the ETF that I usually use where I can watch, and it gives me a snapshot of what's going on with biotechs. Because as I said in the intro, stocks are trading real high right now, high in price and high in valuation. So would you rather buy stocks at a high price and hope that they go higher? Or would you rather look for another investment where you can buy at a lower price, hold it for a year or two, and sell it at a higher price? I'm going to take you to a place where I know that certain stocks are on sale. So as I said, this IBB Biotechnology ETF it gives you a snapshot of what's going on in a section of the stock market where prices are not too expensive, meaning the biotech sector. Stock prices are super high right now, even though they've been coming down the past week or so, but valuations are sky high. In other words, prices are way above what companies are actually worth. So I always go and check here right off the bat. I'm looking at the early part of November. This big green influx of volume lets me know, being that this is in an uptrend and it's in a channel rising higher, it lets me know that big money is coming into the biotech sector of the market. So it's not just me looking for other places to put brand new money. Big money is looking for other places to put brand new money as well. Now, when I say big money, I mean the people who trade stocks for companies, and the hedge funds, and the millionaires, and the billionaire investors. So if you look at this chart, with this volume that's coming in the early part of November, and it's been trending higher basically the whole month of January. And it looks as though within the next week or so that this biotech IBB ETF can break out of this pattern that is in and starting to move even higher. So I told you guys I had 3 stocks, 3 biotechs that are underpriced and that are on sale right now. I'm gonna show them to you. But first, I am not a stock expert, nor do I play one on YouTube. Anything you hear on this channel or any other channel, make sure you do your own due diligence before you put your hard-earned money at risk. So the first stock, without further ado, the first biotech that's on sale now goes by the name of Inovio Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Now, I got some notes on Inovio. Now, Inovio Pharmaceuticals is a company that's located in Plymouth Meeting, Pennsylvania. Now, they specialize in medicines to treat and cure diseases like cancer, HIV, respiratory diseases, and also COVID-19. That's right, the coronavirus. So this is a backdoor way where you can invest in a stock that may potentially come out with another coronavirus vaccine or treatment or cure. Either way, this stock is on sale now, and you have that potential as well as many other cures and treatments that are in the pipeline and coming down the road for this company. Now, as of Friday, Inovio Pharmaceuticals was trading at $9.66 per share. And I always check my volume out. Number one, I see right here in September, we had a big influx of buying volume. That lets me know that the big dogs, the hedge funds, the companies, the millionaires, the billionaires are interested in Inovio Pharmaceuticals. They came in September. Big green candles, and it came in again in November. Big green candle, another big green candle near the end of November. Now, here we are, the middle of January. So I would expect within the next week or two, you'll probably see another big green candle. And right now, the average volume for this company trades at over 10 million shares bought and or sold per day. But on Friday, the volume was almost 20 million shares bought and or sold in Inovio Pharmaceuticals. Now, once this price of this stock breaks over the $10.80 high of Friday's close, once it breaks that, this thing gonna take off. That ain't what I heard. I'm telling you what I know. Right now, Inovio is on sale. Don't know how long this sale gonna last, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, but right now it's on sale. So check out Inovio Pharmaceuticals. Now, the second company that's on sale right now and that is undervalued goes by the name of Intercept Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Now, Intercept Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is located out of New York, New York. They develop treatments for the more dangerous liver conditions, and the price of the stock actually crashed last summer. Now, what happened is the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, they rejected the treatment of ICPT Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. They rejected their treatment for their liver drug. Now, from what I understand, the company immediately took action. The CEO of the company stepped down. He was replaced with another person from the board of directors. And all things, from what I understand, are looking good because now they have another drug that they're going to resubmit as a brand new candidate. Now, if everything goes expected, an analyst has this company has an $82 price target. Now, right now, the stock price is under $28 per share, and they have a $82 price target. Think about it. This is trading more than 50% below the expected price target at a share price of $27 $1.45 per share with an $82 price target, Intercept Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is worth your attention because it's on sale now. Now, a lot of you guys probably want to know why I like watching biotechs. Let me show you something. About a year ago, I made a video highlighting this company by, and I'm pretty sure you've heard of it, by the name of Novavax Incorporated. At the time of that video that I made in the middle of March, I believe it was, the price of Novavax was around $12 per share at the time of my video. The price of Novavax climbed as high as $188 per share. Let that sink in for a minute. At the time of the video, it was trading around $12 a share, and it went up to as much as $188 plus per share. So this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is why I watch and why you should start to watch biotechs, because you never know. You may have an opportunity to buy something at a low price, and that price can go up 400 or 500%, all the way up. You never know. Now, the last stock that I want to introduce you guys to, that's on sale and that is low in value, that you can hold for the next year or two. Buy low, sell high. That's why you're here. The third stock goes by the name of Espirion Therapeutics Incorporated. Now, Espirion Therapeutics Incorporated is based out of Ann Arbor, Michigan. The company specializes in the treatment of low-density cholesterol disorders. Now, last February 2020, both medications that they had, one by the name of Nexletol and the other by the name of Nexlizet, were both approved by the FDA. But the share price of the stock actually fell. So let that sink in for a minute. They got two brand new drugs that were approved, but the share price fell, and fell sharply. Reason being, according to my notes, reason being, this company had a very high debt load. So what they did to satisfy the debt load, they had what's known as a stock offering. Now, a stock offering is basically where the company issues additional shares of stock. Now, when companies do that, the share price falls. In other words, they're diluting the share value by inserting additional shares of stock to be sold to the public. Price goes down when it happens. But a second thing happens. When companies do public offering, it turns into a stream of revenue for the company. So that stream of revenue was used to pay down that high debt load. Also, stream of revenue will be used for further research and further development within the company. So this right now trades at a price of $25.55 per share, but it's rated a strong buy stock with a $63 price target. Let that sink in. Right now, the price is $25.55 per share, but it has a $63 price target. In other words, ladies and gentlemen, uh, boys and girls, Espirion is on sale now. Now, I would recommend for this stock that you let this price come down a little bit more. Ideally, it'll be good if you can get into this, put your brand new money to work. If you can get into this at under $24 per share. So let it come down some more, because according to this pattern, the price seems to be on the way down. That's not a bad thing. That's a good thing, because I would say that within a week, maybe 2 weeks from today's date, which is the 16th of January 2021, give it a week or two. That way you got a couple of weeks to get your money together, put your pennies on the bed, count them out, and grab you some shares of this stock that's on sale now. And it goes by the name of Espirion Therapeutics Incorporated. Like I always say though, I'm not a stock expert. Anything that you hear on this channel or any other channel, make sure that you do your own due diligence and your own research before you put your hard-earned money at risk. But I just gave you 3 stocks that are on sale now. Check them out for yourself. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude, and if this is the first time that you come past this channel, if this is your initial visit to the channel, I ask that you hit the notification bell. Also, I ask that you subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. That way when the next hot video comes out, you'll be alerted and you won't miss a thing. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude, and I'll holler at you later. Peace.